How to unbox Xbox Series S without breaking the box. So here we have the new Xbox Series S box right here. So if you might potentially want to return it, replace it, etc. in future, you want to make sure the box isn't broken. So this is how to do it. First of all, you're going to want to look for the little green tab. It should be at the top of the back part section right here. Make sure you do not pull this too hard or kind of rip it off. You want to kind of gently pull it back and then take it out of its slot there that's combined with the top part of the box. You want to make sure you gently comes out like so it's like that, because as well there's like a little green tab and the little white tabs you can see at the front there. And then to the left and the right, you can go ahead and put those flaps to the side there and make sure you can pull out that smaller box, so make sure you don't pull that too hard to get that out of there, and you can put that out. And then the actual Xbox Series S console itself right there, it comes with like two little pieces on the left and the right. So as you can see, the Xbox Series S box itself is fully intact and ready to return if necessary, if you do it like that. But then with the actual Xbox Series S console, the left and the right, make sure you go ahead and gently put that to the left and right there. Make sure it doesn't drop on the floor, because if you don't hold it while doing it, it could potentially drop, so be careful of that. So once you remove those pieces, it still has like a protective sleeve that is kept in, so you can go ahead and gently pull that back. Make sure not to rip that off as well. That's very important. You can just kind of slide it off like so. And then there you have the Xbox Series S console kind of unpacked there. The last thing left is that small box that has the controller and the wires in. So as you can see, there's kind of like a middle plate thing that's there. So you go to the left and right, make sure you don't pull those off. The middle plate is the bit you want to kind of drag out. And there you have it. It's all unboxed without being broken. And you have everything in there. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.